Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a tombstone. Let's start off by drawing a long horizontal line for the ground. Above that, draw a tall arch with a tombstone shape. And on the left side, draw another line curving down from the top to give it some thickness. On the tombstone, draw R, I, P in big letters. This stands for Rest in Peace. And add some scribbled horizontal lines underneath for the name, date, and other information or words. On top, add a crooked Y shape going down for a crack in the tombstone. And lastly, draw a few really tall zigzags around the bottom for some grass. And now you've got a tombstone.